Everyone, namaskaram. First of all, thank you to the entire team, Chennai Amrita team, for having us here. DNA promotion but before that, let me congratulate Shreya and Amrita. Culinary Olympics, our gold medal winner. I think it's one of the biggest moments for us Indians because India I think Kerala first gold medal. So I think that's a big achievement. So congrats to you both. So anyway, once again coming back to the project, DNA Chitram theatre very successful. People are appreciating it. The director T. Suresh Babu sir. One big director. That's a big Chitramani DNA. Ashkar Saudhan Nayakan, Papan Babu Anthony, and then Gavani. And Korea artist and Rai Lakshmi is also there. Irshadika. All are there. So anyway, we want your support. So we came here to ask for your support, add your blessings. Theatre cinema do support us, and thank you once again for having